Hi, I'm Ding from Ding's Workshop. Today I would like to talk about the Sawstop floating overarm dust collection system. This is by no means a review of this product, nor am I sponsored by anyone. I will be making different cuts to show how this dust collection system performs with my setup so that you can decide whether or not this dust collection system suits your needs. So in terms of setup, I have a 1.5 horsepower dust collector with two 4-inch hoses coming out, one connected to the floating overarm dust collection system and the other hose connects to the back of the saw cabinet. Nothing really special here. So the first cut I'm going to make is just a standard rib cut with 3/4 inch thick plywood. Now the coverage will be across the entire width of the dust hood, providing maximum suction power. These are the dust left over from the first cut. Majority of the dust actually came from the very last bit of the cut, shot out from here. But overall, pretty good. So I just vacuumed the surface and now I'm about to make the second cut. The second cut will also be a rib cut, but this time instead of covering the entire hood area, I'm going to leave half of the hood open, so I would expect more dust to come out from this area here. Okay, so I think the second cut is comparable, although there is, I don't know, slightly more dust compared to the first cut. Probably because half of the hood was exposed, so it didn't have maximum suction. So I just pushed away the hood to show you my third cut. My third cut will be just taking away a tiny bit of material on the edge. I would expect a lot of dust to shoot out from the side by this cut. Let's take a look. Yep, just as anticipated. This time a lot of dust came out. So how does the table saw perform without the dust hood? Let's find out. So now I have pushed away the dust hood and disabled the hose so that all of the power from the dust collector goes inside the cabinet. Well, what do you know? It's actually not terrible. But what I did notice is that the dust without the hood this time is a lot more scattered. Whereas if you go back and see the first cut using the hood, majority of the dust is actually collected right in the middle. But overall, it's not bad. So there you go, guys. I hope I was able to help you to decide whether or not this dust collection system suits your needs. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. This is Ding from Ding's Workshop. See you next time.